Welcome everybody! In this video, I will present our Department of Economics and Management at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, Germany, with all the advantages of studying here at the interface between economy and technology. First of all, I would like to present Karlsruhe to you. Karlsruhe is a university town with around 310,000 inhabitants in the southwest of Germany. The town arose in the 18th century and was originally built in the Baroque style, following the architecture of Versailles in the French neighborhood. Due to its proximity to France and Switzerland, it is surrounded by different geographical regions like the Alps, the Black Forest, Lake Constance, or Alsace. Owing to the town's location, studying in Karlsruhe also gives you the opportunity to travel easily through Europe. Just have a look at the map above. Karlsruhe is a very green city and one of the warmest places in Germany. You can spend a pleasant time in the city's Günterklotz Park, which you can see in the upper left picture, stroll through the botanical gardens, shown in the bottom right picture, or linger on the banks of the Rhine River, which is one of the biggest rivers of Germany and which passes by the city. The monumental Baroque Karlsruhe Palace is the heart of the city and a place of various social meetings and events, thanks to its beautiful architecture, surrounding parks, and forests. Around the palace, and at the same time right next to the university campus, there is a huge garden where students meet after lectures. Finally, you can get to know the city as you participate in its many festivals and events, for example in the famous festival The Fest, shown in the upper right picture. The campus of KIT comprises the KIT Library and KIT Canteen. The infrastructure of the KIT is made up of charming old and modern buildings with much green space in between for students to get together. And most important of all, everywhere is accessible by bike. The KIT Department of Economics and Management is one of the 11 KIT departments shown above. KIT has brought forth some Nobel laureates and outstanding graduates like Karl Benz or Alexander Gerst, who influenced the history of mankind. Now, I would like to tell you some facts about our department. Every semester, we host more than 4,000 students studying economics and management. Around 15% of our students are international students coming from abroad. Around 40 professors and 300 scientific staff who research in 5 scientific fields make it possible to offer around 370 courses to choose from. Our department offers courses that are among the best of their kind. For the past 5 years, KIT Industrial Engineering and Management program has been number 2 in the leading German university ranking. Energy Economy reached first place in Germany in the Shanghai ranking in 2021. Additionally, the study program Information Systems is ranked in the top group for the indicators, support at the beginning of studies, and teaching offer in the CHE ranking of the site. Industrial Engineering and Management is even ranked in the top group for 13 of 20 indicators, such as overall study situation, transition to master's program, and exams. KIT graduates are among the most successful applicants in Germany, Europe, and worldwide. Our department is made up of 10 different institutes where you can get a broad range of scientific knowledge. These range from Institute for Operations Research and the Institute for Finance and Banking through to the Institute for Industrial Production and Management. We have 4 different study programs: Industrial Engineering and Management, Information Systems, and Economics Engineering as bachelor's or master's degrees, and Business Mathematics as a master's degree. We also offer a double master's program in cooperation with INP Grenoble in France. On the following slides, I will show you the advantages of studying at our department and will give you an impression of how we stand out from other universities. First of all, you can individually design your curriculum and choose from 200 courses taught in English. Coupled with no regulations from KIT on the maximal number of courses and the possibility to attend both bachelor's and master's level courses, you can totally focus on your own interests. In addition to the courses offered by the department, you can attend courses at the Center for Cultural and General Studies and the House of Competence. With more than 3,000 students per term, KIT's degree program Industrial Engineering and Management is one of the largest of its kind in Germany. Besides studies, there's a lot of excellent research at the interface of economy and technology. Our professors are positioned in the following 5 interdisciplinary disciplines: business administration, economics, operations research, applied informatics, and engineering sciences. The fact that 50 doctoral theses are prepared per year by our students indicates that research plays a major role at our department. Correspondingly, the Karlsruhe Decision and Design Lab provides an outstanding research infrastructure where many studies of human decision behavior are carried out. Now, I would like to show you the possibilities of gaining practical experience during your studies or research at the KIT Department of Economics and Management, especially in practical team projects, during internships, and through the current developments in lectures. We maintain a strong cooperation with high-rated partners like IBM, Porsche, CBS, or Nitrado. During workshops, networking events, and excursions, you can also get to know more potential employers. Another example of the strong connection between theory and practice is the Learning Factory Global Production, where you can experience and touch Industry 4.0 applications in a real industrial assembly line for electric motors. It is worldwide the first learning factory with a focus on the challenges of production, not just in a national, but in a global network that includes sites in China, the Global Advanced Manufacturing Institute, and the Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center. In this project, the students get the possibility of developing professional action competence in a realistic environment and of learning to solve the challenges of modern production in a self-organized manner. As it is real production, you always work and cooperate directly with the relevant enterprises. Courses at the Entrepreneurial Institute, coupled with assistance by the Students' Association for Entrepreneurship, called KIT Pioneer Garage, give huge support to the many talented and motivated students starting their own business based on various sustainable ideas. We count up to 50 new ventures and 200 inventions annually, which is a great success. As a leading entrepreneurial university, KIT keeps second place of the universities with the most startups in Germany in 2020. With more than 80 partner universities in the Erasmus Plus program and all over the world, the International Relations Office of the KIT Department of Economics and Management offers a broad international orientation. In addition, the university maintains good relations to 45 direct partner universities and corporations, participates in various internalization projects such as Epicor and Ocor, and is a member of networks like Cluster, Cesar, and Moetia. For your first days in Karlsruhe, the department's student body offers buddy and mentoring programs to simplify and support you at the start of the semester. In addition, there are lots of leisure opportunities such as sports, language courses, and activities in student associations. Joint events and parties, and the advantages of our inner city campus make it easy for you to meet fellow students and make new friends. This slide gives you an overview of the German academic calendar. In the week before the official start of each term, there's an orientation week for new students along the pre-semester German language courses. Lectures usually begin in mid-October and mid-April and last until the beginning of February or the end of July. Exams are held afterwards. Here are some useful links to the international departments, course catalogs, and about studying at the KIT. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. To stay up to date and not miss any news, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You're impressed by all the opportunities at KIT Department of Economics and Management? Come to Karlsruhe to study with us. Thank you for your attention.